Hi, this is Ollie from TaskTag. I'm going to show you how to quickly use a checklist feature to apply tasks to a project. So I go into my project, I've got some new tasks I know that I need to do and I've done before on a project. So I go to checklist, I use one of my existing templates. I need to do a safety tracker. So I go into my safety tracker, I select all of the tasks within that template that I need to do this time. I add them in here and then I click convert to task. Once I've done this, I didn't need to write out any of the tasks at all. I'm ready and I convert them. They're already now into my task list here and I can start the team working on them as a project. That's how you use a checklist to create tasks in TaskTag.